fulfillment mo yun.
Exactly.
Diba?
Wow.
Yes.
So guys, no, I mean, for those who are watching, I think if you are looking for another sense of fulfillment in your life, I think this is more than an award.
Yes.
You can actually like hand it down or have someone from your family, special someone that parang pwede yung enjoy yun yung unit ko sa Azure. Parang
Yeah,
ganun.
it's perpetual ownership, so pwede mong pamana ng pamana ng pamana.
Nanubabo Kabalin, welcome to We're in Pampanga, and for today's video, nandito po tayo ulit sa Azure North, which is located dito po sa may San Fernando, Pampanga, and with me is Ma'am Ying.
Hello!
Yes,
hello
please say
po.
hi po sa mga viewers po natin.
Hi! Hello po viewers, I'm Ying Castillo.
So actually, it's not our first time to visit Azure. We've visited some of your like Airbnb units dito almost 10 times.
Oh, that's good to know. Oh.
Yes. Siguro, step back lang tayo. When did it start? What was the master plan behind this development?
Century actually. Our first Azure project was in South. If you're familiar with Bikutan, meron kami Azure South. That's the first one. So, naging successful yung Azure South namin. Yun nga, ni-replicate nila dito sa North naman. So, this is the first leisure resort and residential here in the North.
So, what was the vision? Ano yung parang pinaka-goal ng Century nung kino-conceptualize? What was Century's like vibe for the people, for the residents, mga ganyan?
Parang living in a leisure park. Parang gano'n. Dahil nga sa success ng South, naging Airbnb siya. Yun ang naging parang destination sa South kasi malapit siya sa airport.
Oh, yeah.
Tapos, yun nga, ni-replicate nila dito sa San Fernando para naman sa mga North people.
Yes.
Para si Airbnb, tapos may leisure dahil wala tayong masyadong leisure dito sa Pampanga, walang mapupuntahan.
Correct.
They came up with this idea.
Yes. And I think strategic din yung vision ni Century kasi Pampanga, particularly San Fernando, is like the crossroad.
Yes,
No,
it's in the heart of North kasi. If you go to Baguio, if you go to all the way to Bataan, Zambales, and Cabanatuan and Nueva Ecija, and Bulacan, and all the way back to Manila, we are in the center.
Yes. At saka napaka-eye-catching ng mga units natin. No? So whenever you drive yung NLEX natin, hindi pwedeng hindi mo makikita yung ano. No?
Yes, it's the uniqueness kasi of the property and the project of Azure. Kaya siya nag-stand out talaga sa mga other developers here in Pampanga and also in Manila.
Exactly. Okay. So my next question is, kumusta si Azure North ngayon? What's its current state? Ilan yung mga like towers natin?
We launched the first two towers. 2014, we were pre-selling it. Monaco and Bali. So yun yung first namin tower. That's a phase 1. And sa phase 1 pala, meron na kaming last tower to be built. It's Barbados. That's the last tower we have for RFO units, meaning ready for occupancy units, and we have few units left na lang. Almost sold out na. So mga less than 10 or less than 5 na lang units we have. Yes, almost sold out na rin yung third tower namin sa phase 1. But don't worry, meron pa tayong mga towers na ilo-launch.
Yes.
This is Mykonos. That's the first tower we have for the phase 2. Along with the water park. Magkakaroon na tayo ng water park beside from sa man-made beach and the wave pool.
Yes. So let me get it correct. No? So we have 3 towers for the phase 1.
Yes.
And currently right now, we have like 15 units remaining.
Mga less than 10 na lang siguro. 5, 3, 4. Ganun na lang ang mga units namin sa ready for occupancy unit.
So ganun siya ka-in demand?
Yes. Sold out na yun actually. Almost sold out na yun. Mati-turn over na yan sa December.
And the good news is, sabi mo nga, we have phase 2. This is upcoming.
Coming up. The Mykonos Tower.
Mykonos.
12-story condominium with the water park.
Ma'am, tell us about your clients dun sa mga phase 1 natin. Are they like from Pampanga, from Manila? Actually,
mix na sila.
Yes, tell us more about
Sobrang mix na kasi may Kapampangan, may taga Nueva Ecija, may taga Baguio, all the way from Ilocos, meron taga Manila din, meron taga Zambales and Bataan. It's a mix neighborhood talaga. Iba-iba na, hindi na siya pure Kapampangan. But most of them are Kapampangans and OFWs actually. Their hard-earned money, they know the value. So they want to invest here. It's because of the staycation concept that we have. So, nasa business side din kasi yung Azure. It's not only for dahil bibilin mo siya and kung hindi ka mag-stay dito, you can rent it out naman as a Airbnb. Yun ang patok talaga ngayon sa Azure.
So actually, I wanna point out dun sa where you are driving to, no? Nabanggit mo kasi kanina yung word na investment. I wanna know how, like, what are the benefits or what are the importances of investing your hard-earned money sa property, particularly Azure?
Lahat naman tayo, sobrang importante sa atin yung investment. Lalo na hard-earned money. Kahit ano pa yan, kahit 5 or ano, basta hard-earned money. Kami dito sa Azure, we don't give you a liability. Parang sinasabi uy, ang mahal naman yan, ganito, ganyan, condo, ganyan, hindi ko naman kailangan ng condo. No, hindi mo siya kailangan, pero pwede kasi siyang on the investment. I mean, sa negosyo side, the business side, hindi siya gastos. Kumbaga, kesa mapunta sa kung saan-saan man yung mga hard-earned money nyo, invest na lang natin dito na which is like what? 25,000 pesos per month.
So I think let's encourage our viewers to really be practical and at the same time smart in where to put their money.
Yes.
Kung kayo po ay, I mean, in that kind of situation, like you have probably an ability to, you know, pay that amount in for a monthly basis. So why not put it smartly? Dun sa it can compound and eventually give you fruits, di po ba?
Yes.
It's like having more than a jewel, yung para bang you can, parang pag sinasabi mo, dumadaan ka dito, or I have a unit there. Parang ganun,
parang,
no?
uy, alam mo na may makapapa, uy, tikong unit yan, di ba? Uy, kaya kung ka mag-rent, can Airbnb, kung ka staycation.
Exactly. Ma'am, explain further yung perpetual ownership.
Because before, parang meron law or something na parang saying ako na, hanggang 50 years na.
Yes.
No. Here in Azure, actually most of the condos now, it's a perpetual ownership. Pwede na sabihin, as in, kang kaapu-apuhan mo, pwede na yung pamana. Transfer.
So that's an assurance.
Yes.
So hopefully, yung mga like earlier generations natin, they thought na ganun yung mga setup ng mga condos. And right now, they can understand now na perpetual pala siya.
Yes, perpetual ownership na yung mga condos.
Okay, ma'am, last few questions. I wanna know more about yung sinabi mo kanina naman, yung plans natin for the Phase 2. Okay, so again, can we elaborate po yung mga amenities?
Okay, sa Phase 2 natin, we have actually, the plan is 4 towers. But we just launched the first tower. It's called the Mykonos Tower. It's a 12-story building. Tapos, along with that is the new amenities that we have in Azure. It's the water park. It's so exciting kasi sobrang laking water park. Dalawang water park siya. We have kiddie and for the adult water parks. Plus, we also have the gazebos there. And meron tayong basketball court. May play park. May pet park.
So, yung Phase 2 natin, ma'am, will you still allow yung mga Airbnb type
Of course. Yan. Pwede pa rin tayo mag-Airbnb concept dyan.
So, the water park will be an added amenity.
Yes, added amenity siya.
From our existing, like, man-made beach and then wave.
Right. So, if you're resident here dito sa Phase 2, pwede pa rin mabagamit yung man-made beach.
Yes. So, imagine, guys, no, owning a unit, comparing it with you built your own staycation, parang ganun, no? And then you list down all the amenities and the features. But this one, grabe, ang gandang isulat ng water park.
Yes. Oo, parang may water park na sa San Fernando.
Yes.
Ganon.
That's what I'm saying. For the water park, can you tell us more about how, vision it, the day comes na nag-enjoy na kami dito. So, how will it be like?
We have slides, actually. Water slides, big slides, from kiddie slides. So, talaga siyang sobrang laking water park na with slides talaga siya and fountains.
Ganun. So, wow, that's really parang something to look forward to.
Yes, sobrang ganda. I assure you, sobrang ganda ng water park.
Okay, so let's talk about numbers naman po. So, how will it be like? Siguro, reservation, and then yung mga upcoming for monthlies natin.
Yung investment dito starts at 50,000 pesos lang for the reservation. And then, the monthly is as low as 25,000 per month.
So, for more information, Ma'am Ying, how can they contact you? Where can they go?
You can contact me in my Facebook account, on my Facebook account at Ying Castillo or Colin Ying Castillo. And then you can go directly here sa Azure North and look for me.
Do we need to like schedule for a visit or are you
Actually,
always
hindi
here?
naman. You can message me then I'll just go here tapos schedule na lang natin kung kailan kayo pwede, ganyan. So anytime naman ako pwede.
So for example, ang viewer po natin is from like abroad, from US. how can they parang communicate naman po the intention?
Okay, message nyo lang ako sa Facebook para it's faster. I mean, everything now is sa Messenger naman lahat. So, message lang nila ako sa Messenger and Facebook so we can video call. I can discuss everything via video call or Zoom kung saan sila okay.
Wow! So, that's a great news for us. Again, just a personal story, no? Yung mga kids po namin whenever we ask them, what's your top 10 staycations that we've been to? Actually, we've been to a lot po.
Talaga?
Pero it's a good thing na when we hear from them, it's one of their top 10s naman yung Azure. Because number one, of course, the amenities. Number two, it's really coming out from home. But you're still from home.
Yes.
Kasi you have like tall towers. Yung mga kids natin ngayon, parang yun yung hinahanap nila. Like city-like, mga ganyan.
Yeah.
And also the amenities of the staycations here are really interesting to experience them. So why not own your own staycation dito po sa Azure? And for more information, sabi nga ni Ma'am Ying, we're gonna include all the details in this post. So thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and share it to the friend you want to have, a unit here at Azure. Thank you po.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Bye.